Alright guys, check this out. You're looking at a double tooth custom fitted grills that we had done for one of our customers. These are custom fitted for a perfect fit. Here's the back side. These are 10K solid gold. Okay, there's a stamp, and this is available on our website, blingcartel.com. Custom fitted for your teeth for a perfect fit, handmade, real gold. Check us out at blingcartel.com. You get free shipping in the US. You also get a free mold kit. Quality handmade work. Thank you for watching, guys. As always, y'all have a good one.